Welcome back to Noted. Today, we're going to dig into one of those classic success things that most of us have experienced, which is product request from a customer and how we communicate that with product. So it's my typical day. As usual, customers have been expressing interest. I reached out to my product leader and I've gotten the normal, we don't build things for one customer. And of course, I'm like, no. Tons of customers have requested this. This, in our case, fake example, but let's say that it's emojis in the Noted product. So normally we'd have a Google sheet, we'd have some incredibly complex process for filing these, could be trying to literally traverse all of my Linear or Jira tickets. In Noted, it becomes really simple. First, I'm just going to go into Nelly and I'm going to say something like, can you give me a list of all of the customers' accounts that have expressed interest in emojis. So first I'll start here and see what happens. Very soon we'll have an ability to very easily share this, but as you can see, it's just going through my Noted. I've done nothing special. All of the information I put in, and it's traversing that graph and giving me a literal list of customers that have all expressed an interest in emojis. So I could ask Nelly to write an email and send this list to my product manager. I could copy and paste it. Very soon, we'll just give you the simple ability to share. So that's one example. Another example, another way to do this in Noted is I can always go into my Pulse report. And let's say we've been working with some customers on something, this is real time, that we're now calling a design partner feature. So I've got all my organizations here. I can lay this out by different types of tags. Of course, in this case, I want organizations. And then I can literally just come in here and filter by that tag. So design partner, and I'll show you how we got this. And so now it's going to traverse it and say, here's all of the different customers that we're working on this with. So again, a great way to dig in and really be able to articulate and quickly show. So now let's say that I'm in my day and we'll come back to the emoji example and I'm walking into a meeting or, let's say that somebody calls me, let's say that SpyCloud gives me a call and I look at them. Okay, we don't have a lot of information on them. We're just kind of starting to deal, but they're saying, look, guys, we can't move forward, unless I get emoji support. So, I'm just going to file a quick note. They will not move forward until we have, and then I've created a tag for this just to easily track it. And even if I didn't and I just typed emojis, since we've created that tag, it automatically knows to find that. And now that is now becomes part of my graph. And now when I do and ask Nelly and ask again, SpyCloud would pop up. So now this is forever and ever in my second brain. I don't have to remember when product comes back to me and asks me, are there any more new organizations that have expressed this? I can easily go ask that same thing, pull up that same list, and now SpyCloud will pop up. So again, multiple ways to do this, but trying to make this incredibly simple, reduce all of that time and wasted effort in trying to aggregate these so that we can have real meaningful discussions with our product teams and really move the needle on issues that are pervasive across an account base. Give us feedback, keep it coming. Thank you so much.